we're still finding the early birds. There's more and more of them coming in pretty quickly. I have found my first YouTuber ever at an event. Hi, Rachel. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
I am great. So I decided to come and introduce myself to you because I saw you were setting up this camera. I actually got the same camera for my husband. So talk to me about what you're doing here this weekend.
Okay, so I'm here to take in the folk festival, which I come to every year. I love it, love it, love it. And I wanted to also share the folk festival music and festivities with my YouTubers. So I am a YouTuber, and the name of my channel is Grandma Ray Don't Play. And
that's great.
Yes, and I've been filming for a year and a half, and I have over 3,000 subscribers.
Oh, right.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when do you get the plaque? Do you have to have like 1 million?
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah. A lot.
I haven't gotten it yet, so.
All right. Well, we're going to help you with
Oh,
this.
thank you
Yeah.
so
Because
much.
all the people that are watching right now, I'm sure they're all going to subscribe and watch.
I appreciate you. So, what are you out here capturing?
We are out here, we are capturing the show, and we are capturing what people are looking forward to. We're talking to all the vendors over the weekend. We're going to be talking to the artisans. So we're also trying to share with the community what the greatness this is.
Okay, and where can the community find your location?
Well, we are Chelmsford Telemedia.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can just Google, ask Mr. Google, and he'll send you right to us.
Okay, great. So there you go, people. I just interviewed her, and she thought she was interviewing me. How about that, huh?
We're getting into the quantum interviewing. I'm interviewing you, me, you, back and forth. It's in the mirror. All right, well, you enjoy. You go back to setting up your camera and look us up, and we'll check you out, too.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Bye, people.
Diane Sherritt Stiebel. Grandma Ray Don't Play at the 2019 Lowell Folk Festival.